Black pepper is a versatile herb that offers numerous health benefits due to its medicinal compounds. Its traditional uses are supported by scientific research for enhancing digestion, reducing inflammation, providing antioxidant protection, and improving cognitive function. Let's check this out. Black pepper, known scientifically as Piper nigrum, is a flowering vine cultivated for its fruit. The fruits are known as peppercorns. They are dried for use as a spice and seasoning. The plant has dark green, heart-shaped leaves and small, white clustered flowers. The peppercorns grow in long clusters and can be harvested at different stages of ripeness. Black pepper is native to South India but is widely cultivated in tropical regions around the world, including Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, and Sri Lanka. The plant thrives in hot, humid climates with well-drained soil and partial shade. Black pepper contains numerous medicinal compounds. Piperine, the primary alkaloid responsible for its pungent taste, and many of its health benefits along with limonene, caryophyllene, camphorol, piperic acid, piperoline, piperamide, pipertine, cousinocinin, piperlonguminine, pellitorinine, and pinene, which all contribute to pepper's aroma and therapeutic properties. Black pepper also contains vitamins and minerals including vitamin K, vitamin C, iron, potassium, and manganese. Black pepper has been used in various traditional medicines across different cultures over thousands of years. In Ayurvedic medicine, pepper has been used to improve digestion, relieve coughs and colds, and enhance bioavailability of other herbs. In traditional Chinese medicine, black pepper has been used to treat digestive issues, stimulate appetite, and as an anti-inflammatory agent. In many European medicinal traditions, black pepper has been used as a remedy for sore throats, nasal congestion, and to improve respiratory function. Piperine stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and alleviating gastrointestinal issues. Piperine has been shown to reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Black pepper's flavonoids and essential oils provide antioxidant benefits, protecting cells from oxidative stress. Piperine enhances the bioavailability of various nutrients, making them more effective. Black pepper has antimicrobial properties, which can help in preventing and treating infections. Some studies suggest that piperine may help improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Scientific research has proven out many of these benefits. A 2022 study from the University of Massachusetts tested the absorption of nutrients when black pepper was added to foods. The research found that carotenoid and lycopene, among other nutrients, were absorbed at higher levels when black pepper was added to the meal. In a 2013 study, researchers from China's Jining Medical College found in a study of 174 people that white pepper significantly decreased the frequency of diarrhea among those with acute or persistent diarrhea. A 2006 study of elderly residents from Japan's University of Massachusetts found that black pepper oil, when inhaled through the nostrils, significantly boosted brain circulation and swallowing abilities. A 2018 study from Sweden's Lund University tested 16 people by giving them a black pepper-based drink prior to eating. The subjects were tested before and after the beverage was given and compared to prior levels. The research found the black pepper reduced hunger and the desire to eat. It also increased the feeling of fullness after eating. The results indicated that black pepper discourages overeating. In a 2016 paper, research from the University of Porto found that black pepper's piperine content has been shown to help neurological disorders such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and depression. It also can help with pain, according to the research. A 2019 review of research from the Durban University of Technology and Turkey Selçuk University found that black pepper has significant antimicrobial properties that combat bacteria. They also found that it is significantly antioxidant and scavenges a number of toxins. The research also found that it reduced bad cholesterol such as triglycerides and helped with glucose control. In addition, black pepper was found to have analgesic, anticonvulsant, and neuroprotective effects. The researchers termed black pepper as king of spices. A 2023 review of research from Brazil State University of Moringa found that black pepper inhibited bacteria superbugs such as Mycobacterium spp and Staphylococcus aureus. A 2021 study from Pakistan's University of Lahore found that piperine from black pepper had significant effects on the body, including helping to protect the liver, protecting against allergies, and anti-inflammatory effect. They also termed it as being neuroprotective. A 2010 laboratory study of Alzheimer's disease found that black pepper extract significantly improved memory impairment in Alzheimer's disease. The means to consume black pepper may be obvious to many, because black pepper is a common part of the dinner table around the world. And yes, generously sprinkling it on foods is a healthy way to take advantage of its benefits. Other ways to consume this tremendous plant medicine include, as Ayurvedic practitioners have often advised, drinking water blended with a teaspoon of black pepper to aid digestion and stimulate immunity. As mentioned in the research, pepper can also be inhaled as aromatherapy through a diffuser or even used with an inhaler to help promote some of the neurological benefits of this special compound. See you next time. Take care.